Hey, what's going on, guys? Booster Whips here. I'm gonna go ahead and be installing the vinyl wrap for the Chrome Delete on the rims. So this is also from the Cool Tint guy, the same guy that you guys saw from Honda John's video. I got the same kit. I'm gonna go ahead and be installing this and show you basically how you get it done on one wheel, and then basically I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the whole car, and then you guys can see the whole before and after. For this installation, what you're gonna need is a microfiber towel to go ahead and clean the chrome areas. Nice. Make sure there's no debris. Make sure it's dry, and make sure there's no grease or oils on the actual chrome area. So if you clean it, the best thing to do is to go ahead and use alcohol, and then dry it with a microfiber towel. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I also have there on deck, if you see it, it's a squeegee with some microfiber wrap on it. That's to avoid any scratches on the whole vinyl. So I don't think I might use it, but it should help with the installation in the event I need to go ahead and kind of slide down and push down. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I've already started. I didn't film off the back because it is a little bit of a pain, but what you want to make sure you do is with the vinyl is that you go ahead and you get it to as close as you can to the edge where the chrome piece starts, and you want to work one area at a time. So if you notice, I already have most of it on, but what you got to do is working piece by piece. Now you'll get it towards the edge, just like that. And I'm doing the edges first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest. um, and you work with your thumb basically, guys. So this is what I'm doing across the board. um, you can peel back as much as you want. What you don't want to do is overstretch the vinyl. If you do, you want to go ahead and use a heat gun so it can shrink back to its original size. But this is what you want to do, is just go edge by edge until you cover the whole chrome area, basically like that, guys. So go ahead and continue here. And again, guys, you want to get to the closest you can to the edge. And this is a perfect cut film, so that's what you want to do. I'm gonna go ahead. If you see, I have already, I think I overstretched it, so I'm gonna go ahead and heat this up to it aligns. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to finish this one up, and then show you guys what I did to go ahead and fix that. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave the overhang, basically because you can't really tell where the original chrome piece starts and ends. So this is a really great film, and as you notice, I'm using the squeegee. This facilitates, makes everything look real nice, um, and helps you out a lot on the film. So I think the extra overhang is going to be right okay, because you're not going to be able to tell at all where the vinyl starts and ends. So I'm going to show you what I mean by that, so that you guys can see. So I think it's very important you guys clean also the black area, so that it looks, you know, perfect, and you guys won't be able to tell, you know, where it starts and ends. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this area here so you guys can see better. So I think the area is expected to be overhang because I didn't stretch much, and just want you guys to see. Just finished this one. I didn't do much. All I did is, left the extra overhang, and I let it settle there. The most important part you want to do is get to the edges, so that all the extra overhang on the wheel and excess goes over. So there goes the first one. Now if you get real close up, you'll be able to see a little bit of the line, but it's not too bad. So there's the first one. I'm gonna go ahead and take a different angle shot so you guys can see of what I'm referring to. Look at this. So you can't tell where it begins and where it ends. So really nice. It makes the car look real good. So can I go ahead and finish the rest so you guys can see? Guys, here it is. I had to take a separate shot. The day was getting a little dark, so I had to hurry up. That's why I couldn't film most of the stuff. But basically this is how it looks. I'll back up a bit. Makes the car look real nice. I don't know how much these will last, tell you the truth. The reason being is I installed it. It could have been because I was doing it too fast. But if you notice the corners here, they're not grabbing on too well. So I mean, I drove like this at 60-80 miles per hour today, and it didn't start peeling because all the rest of the film is basically, you know, stuck. But I'm assuming if I do a pressure wash or whatnot, it might peel off. So, but overall, it makes the car look real nice. Maybe doing it with more patience and dedicating more time to it might come out even better. But this thing, guys, it's a nice film, but it's a very tedious process. It took me, no matter what I did, it took me about 30 to 45 minutes per wheel, just because you're working with the vinyl or whatnot. So it's not an easy install per se, but man, I gotta tell you, car looks amazing with this. So I'll keep you guys posted. Hopefully this doesn't come off. Maybe it's just those corners. I can work with that, you know. But the car looks really nice. Just tells you that the black wheels will look nice on this vehicle. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Any comments, questions, go ahead and drop them below. As always, like, share, and subscribe if you can. Boosted Whips, I'm out. Have a very blessed day.